At the height of the COVID-19 pandemic in the country, several individuals donated to government in a bid to help fight the pandemic. The donations included vehicles to enable the transportation of medical personnel and others involved in the fight against the disease. Today, a delegation from the Ministry of Health appeared before the Public Accounts Committee to respond to queries in the Auditor General's report of financial years 2019-2020 and 2020-2021. The MPs tasked the ministry for an update on the ownership and whereabouts of these vehicles.
And now that COVID, which stampeded us to give them to those people, has ended, have you retrieved our vehicles? The ones that you gave, say, to RDCs, etc.
Vehicles that were procured during the COVID time were provided the people who are critical in the response, or even after, to cater for surveillance and related, interventions.
To some MPs, these vehicles should be recalled and redistributed to the health sector.
COVID, which is justified that emergency and those distributions has since subsided. We want to see those cars redeployed to the health sector for which they were donated.
Where our interest as a committee is better use of these vehicles, where they put in better use. Who are?
During the interface, it was established that around 3.1 billion shillings was used to buy personal protective equipment in the fight against COVID-19. However, according to the Auditor General's report, only 3 companies were directly picked for those supplies, with the MPs expressing concern over flouting the public procurement procedures. Asked about this, the ministry defended itself.
There was a need to procure some of these equipment or PPEs quickly, given their relevance in the response. And we had also received communication from head PPDA guiding on how we should, manage this process. That's how we ended up going, for direct procurement.
If indeed they were supposed to be procured in such, do you have clearance from PPDA and Attorney General clearing that you should go by that?
Even when there is a direct procurement, we evaluate. Because there are different parameters we look at. We definitely do not allow companies to take us for a ride.
The ministry is expected back before the committee next Monday. Ali Mivole, NTV.